Gift Tech Solutions.
Hi and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to request demo access to the GTS Point of Sales web application, so you can test the system before deciding whether to subscribe. As you can see, GTS Point of Sales offers solutions for many different types of businesses, including accommodation facilities, bookshops, boutiques, car washes, cold stores and meat shops, restaurants, supermarkets, pharmacies, salons and barbering shops, and many more. For this tutorial, I'll be using the GTS Restaurant Point of Sales. First, locate the restaurant point of sales and click on the View Application button. This will take you to the GTS Restaurant Point of Sales page.
Under control and progress from your first sale to the end of the day. GTS POS will show you the way. GTS POS, power your business.
On this page, look for the Request Demo Access button and click on it. On the next page, enter your email address,
payments, branches and staff support. Anywhere you go, your business stays close. Gift Tech Solutions, GTS POS.
then click Request Demo Access, just as you can see in the video. You can also provide your WhatsApp number if you prefer to receive your demo login details through WhatsApp.
Hostel and guest house too. Bookings and check-ins are easy to do for the salon, barbering shop and gym. Memberships and appointments running clean. Spare parts dealers know every part. Vehicle compatibility right from the start. Repair shops track every device. Faults, deposits and parts with the price. Furniture, bookshops and wholesale trade. Manage every order and payment made. Car wash, cold store and even rentals. GTS POS has the right essentials. No more missing stock.
Once your request has been submitted, our team will review it and send you an email containing your demo link, username and password.
GTS POS, power your business, sell it.
When you receive the email, click the Open Demo button to visit the GTS Point of Sales demo login page. Now, copy the username provided in the email and paste it into the username field on the login page.
GTS POS, know what is selling.
Next, copy the password and paste it into the password field. Once both details have been entered correctly, click the Sign In button. And that's it. You have successfully logged in to the GTS Point of Sales application. The features available will depend on the type of point of sales solution you selected. For example, this is the GTS Restaurant Point of Sales. As you can see, it includes features for managing kitchen operations, restaurant tables, items and products, sales, and the sales register, along with many other business management tools. In our upcoming videos, we'll take you through the core features of each GTS Point of Sales solution and show you how they can help you manage your business more effectively. So make sure you follow or subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. For more information, visit www.gifttechsolutions.com. You can also call or WhatsApp us on 050 054 5111. GTS Point of Sales Solutions, helping you manage your business and point every activity toward the sale.
Your business. Understand it, control it, grow it. Choose the multi-industry point of sale solution, created for serious business owners.
GTS, GTS POS.
One system, every industry, total control.